manipulation was seen as a weak spot for today's parents of young children. And people who grew up in liberal schools of indoctrination and people who teach in liberal schools of indoctrination. Look at what they were taught. Look at the current crop of educators and the current crop of leftist leaders were taught to feel guilty about thermostats being too high in the winter and too low.
Let's say that UPS truck over there is somewhat stuck.
They were taught to be guilty about the lighting they were using in their homes. They were